Okay, class, let's talk about your elevator pitch assignment. So, what an elevator pitch is, it's a very short conversation or presentation of yourself to someone as if you were just on the length of an elevator ride. That's why it's called an elevator pitch. So, for this assignment, you're going to make a 6-slide PowerPoint presentation, and on each slide, you're going to have recorded audio with it. And what you're going to submit into Canvas is upload a PowerPoint file with embedded audio. Okay, and that's why we had you do that other assignment where you wrote out how to put audio in PowerPoint files. You don't have to export it as a movie. Upload a PowerPoint file into Canvas. And I'm going to go through the description of what the assignment is for doing this elevator pitch, and it's very much tied into your portfolio. So I'm going to read a little bit from the portfolio assignment here to describe out what you need to do in the elevator pitch. So that first page of your portfolio, you had to find a job description on a job search engine that you wanted to apply for, an actual posting of a job or internship. Your elevator pitch is as if you were applying for that specific posting. So when you talk about your company or position in the elevator pitch, and we'll go through where you talk about that, you need to be referring to that specific company that was in the job posting, not generally what type of company you wanted to work for, but I want to work for you, Samsung, or I want to work for you, Google. I saw this specific posting of entering marketing analysis. The specific job and posting that you're referencing in your portfolio is the same one you need to be referencing in your PowerPoint with recorded audio that is your elevator pitch. Okay? So you're going to make a 6-slide presentation, and on each of those slides you're going to be recording audio, and what you're going to have to do is take that audio and have a written transcript of it when you submit it in your portfolio assignment. So that was part of the video talking about portfolios. The end of that page of the section of your portfolio is a written transcript of what you're saying on each slide. I highly recommend you write that out first before you make the PowerPoint recording, because then you're going to have a nice, clean, running transcript to almost read as you're doing the recording, and it will eliminate ums and hms and things like that. You want to strive for a maximum of 30 seconds on each slide. So 30 seconds per slide, 6 slides total. Don't talk longer than 30 seconds on any slide. An elevator pitch is supposed to be fairly quick to get the points across, and the talking points are going to be similar to what we did in that comic book panel, and I'll go through that with you. But again, you're going to turn in a PowerPoint file, upload it into Canvas for assignment 9, your elevator pitch. And it is going to consist of 6 slides with professional looking pictures now that come from those comic types of pictures you had drawn before on the sketches, but now we're going to get professional images, and we learned how to find professional images when we did the Creative Commons assignment. So go through, find open license Creative Commons images or images that you own to insert into these slides and make a clean, professional looking presentation that is 6 slides long. I am not interested in fancy backgrounds or transitions or different types of standard looking formats with lines across the top for each title. Pictures are more powerful than words. I would be very pleased if you all just had blank background slides with 2 or 3 images that are professional looking images on each slide, and talked through the points of each of them with a maximum of 30 seconds of audio per slide. Okay, and let me show you what you're going to go through for that assignment. So if we look back at our comic book panel, what you're going to do for this assignment is a PowerPoint slide that corresponds to each one of these issues. So what I want you to do is go through and do one slide that's your personal introduction, one slide that is your professional introduction, one slide that's your larger goals, one slide that's company/position, and I want you to refer to that specific company that's the same one on page 1 of your portfolio that you found that job posting that you want to apply for. One slide on how you and that company and that position fit well together, and one slide of a conclusion path forward for future interest. And follow the same talking points. These are great talking points for your 30 seconds per slide recording of what you're going to say. Write up that transcript. The transcript portion goes into the end of your portfolio assignment, but that's the audio that you should be reading to record into the elevator pitch assignment for each slide. And I'm going to show you a sample of this just for one of the slides so you get a feeling for what I mean. So in total, 6 slides, each with 30 seconds maximum of audio. Professional pictures, find good Creative Commons open license pictures to use that look professional. And you're going to go through and pitch yourself to this company as if you were interviewing, to say personal introduction, professional introduction, larger goals, that specific company position that you found the posting for, how you fit together, and a conclusion or path for it. I'm going to just show you one slide in PowerPoint of how I would do this with this personal introduction. And if you look at what I had done of personal introduction on my my sweet colored pencil drawing here, it was me standing outside with some solar panels and teaching other people, and I was going to talk about outdoors, building and inventing, and teaching others. So I'm going to translate this cartoon image into a more professional PowerPoint looking image. And so again, you're going to upload for assignment 9, your elevator pitch, a 6-slide presentation in PowerPoint with professional looking images, a maximum of 30 seconds audio per slide, and you need to have recorded audio on each slide that goes through those talking points that you outlined for each slide and those 6 topics I just talked through. So slide 1 would be a personal introduction. This is where I could build my other 5 slides from there. So I'm just going to show you this example of slide 1 of going to more professional looking images of engineering solar panels outside, me building something back in grad school, and someone teaching or helping others to learn. And I'll just do a little audio play of what I recorded. So I inserted an audio recording onto the slide, recorded my audio, and I'll let it play here so you can hear what it says, hopefully. Come on, you. There we go. Hi, my name is Pamela, and let me give you a personal introduction of myself. I love the outdoors and being outdoors and working on engineering applications related to the outdoors. I like to build and invent things and get my hands dirty and be part of actually assembling and designing projects. And I love to teach others about this. Adults, kids, all ages, and how to design items and assemble them, especially related to outdoor and environmental products. So that's what you should do for each slide, is a little audio recording that's succinct and clean and goes through those 3 talking points you had outlined for your personal introduction, 1 for your professional introduction, 1 for your larger goals, 1 for the company or position, 1 for how those things fit together, you, the company, the position, and 1 for a conclusion path forward. Each with 30 seconds maximum of audio for saving as a PowerPoint file with embedded audio to upload into Canvas for assignment 9. And a good spot for moving your little audio link to is the lower right hand corner. In case my video is in the way, I'm going to move this over. So just put the little speaker guide down in the lower right hand corner of each slide, so when me and the TAs are going through to grade, we can see where to look to click for that. But that's what you're going to do for assignment 9, your elevator pitch. You're going to make this pitch of yourself as if you were interviewing for a company, and what they had to see for the first screening of interviews was a 6-slide maximum presentation, 30 seconds each, of going through and talking and giving an introduction of yourself, personally, professionally, big goals, the company, how you fit together, and your conclusion or path forward. So this will be what you turn in for your elevator pitch. And it's a really neat assignment because you'll challenge yourselves a little to be efficient with words. Look for professional looking open license images to use that convey the ideas you want to get across. All right, class. Well, thank you, and good luck with your elevator pitches and your portfolios, and remember how those 2 assignments are related together. If you have questions, post them up to the discussion board in Canvas, and I'll try to go through and answer them all for you. It's been a really fun class this semester. Take care.